Hello friends, again welcome in our video series of implementations of view in SQL. In previous video, we discussed about how to implement a view in a single base table. In this video, we already created a two table with three columns with account table, account ID, balance and branch name, and another is branch table which is having a branch name and address. In previous video, we already seen that how to create a view in single base table. Okay. In this video, we will discuss about how to implement a view in a multiple base table. That means in this view, we have to consider a more than two table. Here you seen that there is a available of the account table with the column name, account ID, balance and branch name having the 6 record. My another table is select star from branch, which is having a total 4 record with the branch name and address. So for the multiple base table, we need for the implementations of the multiple base table view, we need a two table. First one is account and second one is the branch. Okay. Now we have to perform a view in multiple base table. So that we have to follow the syntax of view. First of all, we create a views, create view name. Our view name is SEC underscore branch. Okay, BRANCH. Create view SEC underscore branch as select. We have to same follow the syntax. In this multiple base table view, we have to consider or we have to select all the columns or in the both table. So first of all, we have to perform a select query on account table. So the first column is A underscore ID. I have to select, second balance, and third one is branch. Okay, but here you can see that branch name are available in both table, account and branch. Okay, for the do not generate ambiguity, I have to mention that account dot branch name. That means in select query account dot branch name return a branch name which is held by the account table. Address. Okay, there are the three columns in account table, account ID, balance and branch name. Select it. Now go to in branch table. These are the column is branch name and address. Okay, so here I have to select branch name. Okay, branch table with B name. Okay, from account and branch table. Here I put the condition in where clauser. I want a output in both table which branch name is same. So I put the condition account dot B name equals to branch dot B name. Okay, sorry, branch dot B name. I have put the conditions. Enter. In our table, sorry, is there a not a underscore ID? Is there a underscore number? Again run it. Sorry, a underscore number instead of a underscore id, enter, duplicate column name. So I remove here, okay, I remove one statement in our query, again enter. See this, view is successfully created. If here the duplications of the branch name is our query generated is duplicate column name. See this, view is successfully created. So right now we have to see the output of the view. Select star from SEC underscore branch, which give me a output matching of the branch name. Say this, there are the matching of the branch name 2, 3, 4, 5 Surat, Rajkot, Jamnagar and Junagadh. This branch name available in both table, account table and branch table. So we got this type of output. Clear this? For example, in SEC underscore branch, I want to delete a one record. For that, I perform a delete operation. Delete from SEC underscore branch. Say this, I perform a delete operations in my view, not in the my table. See this, see the output where a underscore number equals to 2. There are the record available in this. Delete from SEC underscore branch where a underscore number equals to 2. Delete cannot be deleted from view without exactly one key pressed table. There are no allowed to delete operations. Again, we have to perform insert operation. Insert into SEC underscore branch. Values, I enter ID, balance, name of branch name and address. Cannot modify a column which map to non-key pressed table. Here delete insert operation which is not allowed in multiple base table. This point we discussed in our previous video of ADBMS view lecture number 8. What are the operations allowed in multiple base table and what are the operations allowed in single base table. Saw that in multiple base table we cannot perform a delete, insert or any modifications operation because of there are the merging of two table. That case we not allowed a delete operation or insert operation. In single base table, all the operations we can perform. We already seen in our previous video. We have to insert a records, delete a records. Okay, all the things perform in the single base table, but it is not performed in the multiple base table. I hope all of you clear about view in multiple base table. For more than one table we have to create a view. If I want to drop a view, then perform a query drop view name SEC underscore, our view name is branch. Say this, view successfully dropped. If I want to select, table or view does not exist. I hope all of you understand about in this video is implementations of the view in multiple base table. If you are having any query regarding this, please mention on the comment. I will try to solve it. Okay. Okay. Here are our unit. First is ADBMS of Advanced SQL is completed. In unit first, lock theory will be considered in the our chapter 5th video. So we did not discuss here. Okay. All of you, I hope all of you enjoyed this video and getting some knowledge. Thank you all of you for watching this video.